Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Netra and I'm currently pursuing my BE in the Department of CSE Data Science in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm back with a new topic which is related to research management, the patentability and the process of patenting. Firstly, let's go with what patentability refers. Here the patentability refers to your legal rights to exclude other from making, using or selling an invention. Obtaining a patent involves a complex process starting with accessing whether your invention is patentable or concluding with a securing legal protection for your innovations. So this is about the patentability. Next, what are all the criteria which are required for the filing a patent, like patentability? Criteria for the patentability. Firstly, novelty, non-obviousness, utility, and the enablement. Firstly, the novelty. The invention must be new and not previously disclosed to the public. This is what the novelty refers. And the non-obviousness, it's the invention must not be obvious to the person skilled in the relevant field. And the utility means the invention must have the practical use or the purpose. Next, the enablement. It is the patent application must provides the enough information for someone skilled in the field to understand and practice the invention. These are all the criteria for the patentability. Next comes the types of patents. Here there are majorly three types of patents like utility patent, design patents and the plants patent. Here the utility patent refers to the protect new and useful processes, machines and the manufactures, composition of matter or the improvements thereof. This is the utility patenting. Next comes the design patents. It is the protect the ornamental design of the articles of manufacture. It is the way of the protecting the ornament or the materials which are designed of an articles. Next comes the plants patents. It is the protected new and the distinct invent and discovered asexual reproduced plants. These are the main three types of patents. Next comes the patent application process. What are the process requires in patenting? Firstly, a preparation. Next comes a filing. Next, the examination and the prosecution and the assurance. Here in the preparation, conduct a patent search to ensure the patentability and draft a patent specification and the prepare a drawing. Next, a filing. And this submit the patent application to the United States Patent and Trademark Office, which is state stand for the USPTO. And the next comes the examination. In this, in the United States Patent and the Trademark Office, it examiners review the application for the compliances with the patentability requirements. It's like it checks and review whether the application can be like acceptable or not. Next comes the prosecution. Respond to any objection or the rejections from the USPTO. Prosecutions means like a cross check whether it is acceptable or the rejectable patent file. Next comes the assurance. In this, if the application is approved, a patent is issued. Like if the application is approved, like whether it fulfill all the requirements, then they approved and the patent is issued. If not, they'll go for the recheck and the re-examination. This is about the patent application and the process. Next comes conducting a patent search. Here there are mainly three major things which we gonna learn here: the prior art, patentability, and the strategic planning. The prior art, it stands for like identifying any existing technologies or the publications that may be relevant to your invention. This is about the prior art. Next comes the patentability. It determines whether your invention is novel, non-obvious, and useful. Like it just clarify or it just make the things that whether uh, uh, the given file is useful to the public or it is non-obvious or the novel. It's just going to cross-check the things. Next comes the strategic planning. In this, the use of a results to inform the patent application process, including the claims and the scopes. Next comes the drafting a patent specification. Here there are three main things that it involves, like detailing the descriptions, claims, and the drawing. In detailing the description, it provides a clear and concise explanation of an invention. Next comes the claims. It defines the scope of a patent protection and differentiate the invention from the prior art. Next comes the drawing. It includes the illustrations to help to explain the invention and its components. These are the drafting of a patent specification. Next comes filing and the prosecution of the patent application. Here it involves the filing, examination, prosecution, and assurance as the things there in the patent processes. Like in the filing, we need to submit the patent applications to the United States. Examination, like that United States, it examines the review and application whether the patent is acceptable or not, like the file is acceptable or not. In the prosecution, it cross check whether there are any useful things as to the public in the given or in the producing file or not. The assurance, like it whether it will approve the patent or it may not. Next comes the maintaining and the enforcing your patent, like maintaining a fees, enforcement, and the litigation. In the maintaining fees, pay annual fee to keep the patent in the force. Like we need to pay for the keeping the patent in the use, like to the United States or the main government which has. And then in enforcement, take a legal action to the prevent infringement. Infringement is like using others' file without informing them, so that's called as the infringement. It's the out of law, like it is, um, yeah, it is not in the law. It is offensible. In the litigation, seeks the legal remedies for the infringement, such as the injunctions or the damages. This is about the patentability and the process of patenting. And this ends the session. I hope all clear, and thanks for watching.